This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Over 11 unrestricted acres featuring this 4-bed 4 full and 1/2 bath colonial. Full basement, stainless kitchen appliance package, and granite or quartz counters. Luxury vinyl plank flooring on main level including the laundry room. Upper level bedrooms can be upgraded to luxury vinyl plank. Country setting yet close to amenities. Truly a great value in this hot market in an ideal location. Construction to begin in July and ready to occupy late 2022 or early 2023. Builder has made all selections and pictures represent similar finishes and layouts. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263